What's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. My name is Viktoria Kay. I usually shoot lifestyle videos, try-ons, and product reviews, which is exactly what we're doing today. We are reviewing this beautiful LED light therapy mask. I've actually have been using it for the past 4 weeks, and today's the day I want to actually review it for you since I now know what it's like to use. We're going to be doing an unboxing that I've already shot a month ago, and then of course I'll demonstrate, how to put it on and explain all the functionality to you. But it's super simple, and I think it's an amazing addition to anyone's skincare routine. So before we get started, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also leave your comments below, and if you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel. And that being said, we're going to get started with the unboxing. The most fun part about these videos is definitely the unboxing. So the first thing you see is the actual light therapy mask itself. As you can see, it's beautiful. It's super thin, lightweight. It looks so sleek. I really love the design. And the best part, it's actually wireless. So the only wire you have is going to be the one that attaches to the remote, which is the next thing in this beautiful box. And you also have the user manual and of course the charging cables. And let's not forget the straps that you have to attach yourself and then just wrap around your head. You guys, real quick, I asked DermRays if they could also send me the LED silicone neck and chest mask. I seen it on the website and I was like, no, we can't just do the face. We got to do everything, because you can always tell how old a person is by their neck and chest, I mean, of course you can take care of those parts other ways, but if we're gonna do this, like, let's do it for real. Not only do they have face masks, they also have a neck and chest mask. Beautiful little pouch, of course, like the other one had. Oh, this is so good. So this just wraps around your neck, and then this will be your chest. These are the straps, the manual, oh, and the remote, of course. I showed it to you prior with the mask, but all the settings are right here, which I will get into shortly. First, I need to charge the mask, so just give me a moment. Make sure you start out with clean and dry skin. You simply put on the mask and adjust it to fit comfortably with the straps, and then you select your light mode, which is either going to be blue light, red light, infrared light, or the mixed light for a full treatment. Each session takes just 15 minutes and it will turn off automatically, so you don't have to worry about watching the clock. And the recommended usage is 3 to 4 times per week for best results. It's super easy to fit it into your nighttime routine while you're either relaxing or winding down. I also want to talk about the key benefits that this mask has to offer. So for example, with the light modes, the blue light will help specifically with acne and blemishes. The red light will help you with stimulating collagen production, improving elasticity, and also reducing wrinkles. The infrared light reduces inflammation for calmer skin, and the mixed light combines all these benefits for a complete treatment. This mask is also a great alternative to professional treatments, saving both time and money while delivering effective results at home. Plus, it's designed to be safe, wireless, and comfortable, making it a seamless addition to your skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and you got some value out of it. And if you are interested in getting these wonderful masks, I will have a code right here on screen for you. And not only will this elevate your skincare, this would also make an amazing gift. So think about the holidays coming up. This would actually come in very handy. And I also recommend getting both, like the face mask and the neck and the chest, because you can really tell someone's age by their neck and chest. They've taken care of their face all these years, but never their neck and chest. So you don't want to be that person. So I would definitely get both for that reason. And if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you give it a like and also leave your comments below. And if you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will be back next time.